Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of living in a world where dust bunnies multiply under your furniture and dirty floors are the norm? Well, say goodbye to those pesky problems with the MONSGA robot vacuum and mop combo. This top-rated robot is a game changer, and trust me, I've seen it in action. The MONSGA robot vacuum and mop combo has been a bestseller for a reason, and it's not just because it looks sleek and modern. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and highly sought-after item. One of the standout features of this robot is its ability to seamlessly transition from vacuuming to mopping, leaving your floors with a smooth and clean texture that's a joy to walk on. You'll love the sound of it gliding effortlessly across your hardwood or tile floors, picking up dirt and dust with ease. The result is a clean and dust-free home that feels amazing to live in. Plus, the robot's slim design allows it to fit under most furniture, leaving no corner or crevice untouched. In real-life use cases, this product shines. Imagine coming home from work to a spotless floor, without having to lift a finger. The MONSGA robot vacuum and mop combo is perfect for busy homeowners who want to keep their homes clean without sacrificing their precious free time. It's also a great option for pet owners, as it can pick up pet hair and dander with ease, leaving your home feeling fresh and clean. Overall, the MONSGA robot vacuum and mop combo is a must-have for anyone looking to take their cleaning game to the next level, and I highly recommend giving it a try. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.